Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact nail system you want and why it fits the occasion. This determines sizing and adhesives. Once chosen, line up sizes to each finger, trim and file natural nails for a flat base, buff lightly to remove shine so glue adheres. Make sure to sanitize and dry everything. Prepping now prevents lifts and reduces infection risk, and it speeds application when you move to fitting and bonding. You apply the adhesive precisely where it's needed. A single drop or tab is enough, too much causes overflow. Once pressed, hold each nail in place for about 10 seconds to secure a strong initial bond, then check that the cuticle gap is 0. 5 to 1 mm to avoid pressure against the nail bed. After all nails are attached, file and shape them to match your hands. Blending creates a seamless finish and prevents catching on fabrics. You finish by applying a top coat to seal edges and add shine. Cure under lamp if the product requires it. Once done, make sure to avoid prolonged water exposure for 1 to 2 hours and apply cuticle oil daily to maintain flexibility and adhesion. If a nail lifts later, don't force it. Gently remove the nail, clean both surfaces, and reapply adhesive or replace the piece. This fixes weak bonds and prevents debris from trapping under the nail,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.